Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with Instagram not updating on your iPhone running iOS 17, then there are some troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this problem. So let's get started. So firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Poor network connectivity can prevent app updates from downloading and installing as well. So simply go to the setting apps available on your iPhone for our another method. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general. So inside general, tap on the iPhone storage option available there. So inside iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on Instagram. After you tap on Instagram, simply you can see their offload app option available. Tap on it. So guys, offloading an app removes the app from a device while keeping its data intact. This can help resolve issues related to app updates 100%. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.